ever wondered how an almond is grown? Here at BOSH, we're all about turning plant-based ingredients into easy and delicious meals. But how do these ingredients make it to our plates in the first place? Well, we recently visited California to learn all about the life cycle of one of our favourite plant-based ingredients, almonds. Almond trees start their lives in a nursery just like this one before being planted in the orchards. We actually got the chance to plant our own almond tree, and as you can see, it wasn't the easiest of tasks. The beautiful almond orchards that you see here have a 25-year lifespan, and during this time they capture and store a significant amount of carbon, which is known as carbon sequestration. In fact, each acre of California almond orchards capture and store 18 metric tons of CO2 annually, which is the same as removing 15 cars from the road each year. At the end of their productive lives, the trees are ground up and then incorporated back into the soil. Thank you so much to the Almond Board of California for inviting us to the orchards and teaching us all about almonds. We cannot wait to come back.